Hello and welcome. Today I'll be doing a simple smiley face tutorial using London Town lacquers. Also, thanks for being here. Please consider subscribing. I'll upload new videos weekly. Okay, getting right into it. So I've already done the prep here. I have Mango and Cheerio by London Town, and I'm also going to be using Lights Out by Ella and Mila for the eyes and the smile on the smileys. As soon as I saw this yellow mango, I immediately thought of smiley faces and taxi cabs and school buses, so I just thought it would be super cute to do a little smiley face design. Now I'm just preparing and pulling out all the tools I'm going to use. I have my glass palette. I also will be using this short skinny nail art brush from Butter London, as well as the pointy end of this precision tool from Vivid Glam Co. And I'll be using the back of this nail art brush from Bubble. And all three of these tools were gifted to me, and I will link them below. I'm just going to put a small amount of mango on this glass palette. I'm trying to make sure that I don't do it too thick because I don't want the circle to be too heavy and take too long to dry. This, if I'm being completely honest, is my second time doing this. The first time I made it way too thick and it didn't dry, and I smeared when I did the eyes and the smile. So I'm using the back of this brush from Bubble. It does like the perfect little size of smiley face, so I can do two on each accent nail. And I'm just redipping it every time to make sure that the size and the opacity of each circle is uniform. Looking good. I'm going to let that completely dry before I start on the eyes and the smile. I'm back and my little circles are dry, so I'm going to put a little bit of Lights Out on my palette here, and I'm going to be using the pointy end of my precision tool to make the little eyes. So I'm just using tools and brushes that I have at my disposal. But honestly, you could be using anything that you find around the house. So I'm using the precision tool, but you could definitely use a toothpick, or for the smileys that I did with the back of a brush, you could probably use a Q-tip. And honestly, that's the best part about nail art, or any art in general. You can just be really creative with the tools that you use. They can see, but now they need a mouth, so they can smile. So here I'm just wiping away any excess polish on my brush. Because my little circles are so small, I want to make sure that the smiles are really thin and not gloopy. I am really happy with how these came out. They are so cute. Once this dries all the way, I will add top coat, and I definitely want to make sure they are all the way dry or else the black will smear. So all the way dry, top coat, and then all done. Thanks for watching.